Entrance gate. Eggs are poured from this part. This part resile drawback and prevents the accumulation. Roller. By placing eggs on the rolling rolls, all of them become completely horizontal and the eggs drop in the cup. Cup roll. To this part, eggs come to front of robot. Robot. Based on the pre-entered settings, the robot places the eggs in 6 to 30 egg crate. Magna Jet Printer. Magna Printer prints logo and date on the products.